If you're a gastroendocrinologist, you're a plumber, electrician, you already know what an endoscope is. But pardon the medical and technical sounding name, this basically just means device for looking inside something. So this is a portable version, and again, if you're a professional, you probably already have one that's way more expensive than this, and it's probably not quite as good. Because of the modern times that we live in, they've been able to widen the LCD screen. This one is a 4.5-inch screen with up to 1080p resolution. Of course, you can zoom in and out, and that's what affects the resolution. It's a digital zoom, of course. And on the other end here, you have the LED surrounded camera. So what that LED does is it provides light so that you can see in the dark, because most of the things that you're going to stick this into don't have their own light, i.e. pipes, sockets, etc. So this cable itself is very long, looks like a 3-meter cable to me, but of course you can fold that to your requirements. The whole thing is waterproof, which is amazing because you might be using it outside or in situations such as in a bathroom, for instance, where you have lots of water. This LED light and camera also are waterproof, which means you can stick this into water, e.g. into something like a loo or something like that to have a look around. Of course, make sure you sanitize that when you pull that back out. It's got a USB-C charging port, which is how this device is charged. And when it's fully charged, it can give you 4 hours of battery life in continuous use. So that's a lot of time. I don't know who's going to be doing that for 4 hours, but there you go. On the side of the screen here, you have the control panel where you can vary all of the variables on this. You can dim the LCD screen. You can go up and down. You can dim the LED lights on the camera. So you have 3 levels of that. You can vary the contrast of the screen and the saturation. And as a bonus, if you're in the dark, you can actually use this as a torch. You press this button and the light on the side here turns on, and you can use that as a torch to illuminate the darkness. This is one of those devices that you don't really think you need until you've got one. And once you get one, you find yourself doing things like looking above counters, looking at the top of shelves, looking under shelves, looking under beds, just things that you would have had to move heavy things around. You can basically just pop this endoscope in there and have a quick look, and it just saves you lots of time and energy. This is going to get really, really popular, which means it's going to get expensive. So make sure you grab yours now before that happens.